KGUN-9 On Your Side weather with meteorologist Aaron Brackett.
Sure is great to be with you on this Sunday evening. I hope your weekend was spectacular, and today the weather was incredible out there. Mid-80s we saw, and off to the south you can see a couple clouds right now. Off to the north, not too much of anything. But let's peer way into the future here and take a look at how our winter's going to look. How about temperatures? A lot of folks in the west look to be above average as we look at long-term climatology and then into the future with El Nino and things happening thousands of miles to the south. Equal chances of seeing temperatures either above or below normal off to the east and the extreme northwest coast. Well, how about precipitation and rainfall? We have equal chances of being normal, above normal, or below normal. A little bit dry out to the Pacific Northwest as we look into the future. So that's the next 3 to 4 months, and we'll see how accurate that really is. Usually these things are pretty good as we can peer into the future with rough estimations compared to normal. Today, 85 degrees on the high side, average of 83, record 96 set back in 2003. We made it down to 59 early this morning. And highs across the area today, just barely into the 90s. In Phoenix, 88 Casa Grande. We look off to the east now, 76 Wilcox high temperature earlier on, and now down to 73. Tucson, a comfortable 81 outside with the middle 70s as you look a little bit further south along the border. We're a little bit shy of moisture today. 38 is the dew point in Tucson, 46 Casa Grande, a little bit more to the north, but just a couple clouds, the result of that, not really too much going on. Temperature of 64 in Show, 58 in Flagstaff, chilly in that territory, and here are the clouds that swung through. We actually watched them for several hours today as they moved actually from northern Sonora, then off to our east, and you can see some rainfall actually near Deming, very, very light at that. And that's exactly what our models were keying into yesterday, just grazing the extreme southeastern tip of Arizona. A lot of change here with our temperatures. A lot of blue on the map. And look at some of these cities. Rapid City, Salt Lake City, down several degrees. And you can see that's actually creeping into our neck of the woods, too. Tucson lost 4 degrees this time compared to this time yesterday. As we look at futurecasts now into tomorrow morning and then the afternoon hours, just a couple clouds off to the south. We're talking Santa Cruz County. And then into Tuesday morning, we'll call it partly cloudy. Will become mostly sunny, though, a little bit later on. How about tonight? We go to 49 in Nogales, 50 in Sierra Vista. We see those mid-50s off to the north and Oracle as well. 57 Green Valley, but then as we look toward the border in Cochise County, we see upper 40s from Bisbee to Douglas. Safford will check in at 51 tonight. Tucson, 57. We'll keep those skies mostly clear as you saw those clouds earlier heading off toward the east at a pretty good clip. How about tomorrow? 83, a perfect day for a Monday. I know you're heading back to work, but still with weather like that, going to make it a little bit easier. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's a 7-day planner now. We see those temperatures up just a little bit for Tuesday, back down Wednesday and Thursday. And all in all, a picture perfect forecast here. We keep the rain chances pretty much at 0. You see Mount Lemmon still into the middle 50s as we look toward the middle and end portion of the work week. Now on your side at 5, we'll be back after these short messages.